How to connect API, the pragmatic play, the casino game API. So this is the very simple pragmatic play game, the casino game API. So they providing everything you. So I have implemented this. All game is showing here. Also we can play from here. Also the balance adding, balance increasing, everything we are showing here. Everything we can control it. Everything we can handle it from the admin panel, and this is the user panel. Here all game is showing here. Check how many game. Here is more than 200 game is here. So all game is here now. So actually there is more than 330 game almost. So check the game list. Everything in your hand, you can control from your server, and you can handle. Actually in the API providers you have to contact. We're just connecting the API. We're not providing the contact with them. You have to contact with them. They just provide the documentation, then we can implement it from your application. So that's it. All game you can play it. Like slowly I am showing you how many game is here. This is the also raw task for as a new. So he who is expert, so he can do it more faster. Otherwise it takes time to complete the process. So that's it. Best of luck.